Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback rear mud flaps on a 2019 Nissan Frontier. They will fit models from 2005 to 2019. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. And better yet, they are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, remove the 3 factory screws from the inner wheel well, the underside of the fender, and the push pin located on the inner wheel well to remove the factory guard. Then, reinstall the factory screw on the underside of the fender. Next, install the Z-bracket on the outside of the innermost hole. Ensure the larger tab of the bracket is against the flap as shown. Install using a cap screw and flat washer and secure it with a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. Now, place a cap screw and washer on the inside of the smaller tab of the bracket and install it into the innermost factory hole of the wheel well, securing it with a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. Then loosely install the outer mud flap holes using 3 screws and 3 flat washers. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once your flap is level, secure all fasteners. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.